सजातीय भेद रहित, सजातीय जितने विष्णु तत्व है
So Bhagwan is one, ekam द्वितीयो नास्ति. Bhagwan is one. ईश्वरे भेद मान के लिए अपराध. If you difference between Bhagwan, Ram is different Bhagwan, Krishna is different Bhagwan, and so if you have this kinds of mentalism, this is offense. Bhagwan is one, but he is manifesting in a thousand form. So according to the feelings of Bhagwan, Bhakta, he expresses himself. So one Bhagwan is manifesting himself in different kinds of form. So Brahmavadi is saying that Jyotirmay Brahma, there is a light. And before the yogis, he presented himself as a Paramatma. And Bhagwan, he is in the form, before the devotees, he is expressing himself in the form of Bhagwan. So Sajatiya means there is no difference. Just like there's a shlok. Siddhanta Tattva. According to Tattva Siddhanta of the scriptures, there is no difference between Narayana and Krishna. If you commit some bhed, so you are doing offensive. But according to the Rashya Vishara, there is a speciality that Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. One person has two ears. So when the advocate goes to court, everybody used to call him advocate, Vakil Sahab. And the same person, when he used to go his clinic, so everybody calls him doctor. So everybody calls him Dr. Sahab. Oh, Dr. Sahab, Hare Krishna. And when the same person, so when he enters or sit into the clinic, so there is a difference. Stethoscope. So the stethoscope is in his neck. He has different white cloths. When the same person is in the court, so he has a black coat. Everybody calls him Vakil Sahab, Advocate Sahab. Order, like this he was hearing. So he's the same person, but he is doing the different things. In the same way, according to the Siddhanta, there is no difference. According to the scriptures, Siddhanta, there is no difference between Ram and Krishna. But according to the Ras Vichar, Krishna and Ram is different. So Krishna's Ras is topmost. So in the form of Vaikunt, in the form of Narendra Vaikunt, he is Shanta Dasya. And the same Krishna, when he manifested himself in the form of Ram at Ayodhya, so Shanta Dasya Sakya. So he is getting this kinds of service. So this all kinds of bhavas showing there. So this is the views of the scriptures. So he is manifesting in a different forms according to the feelings of Bhagwan. So according to the feelings of how the devotees want to serve Bhagwan, so Bhagwan appeared or expresses himself according to their feelings. Somebody who would like to serve in the form of Sakha, in the Sakhya Bhav, so he presents himself as Sakhya Bhav. Somebody wants to serve into Madhurya Bhav, so Krishna, before the gopis, he is manifesting himself in a youthful form. So one Krishna is expressing himself or manifesting himself in a different forms according to the feelings of the devotee. So that's why Sajatiya there is no difference. And Vijatiya Vejrat, what is that? Vijatiya Vejrahit, what is that? So three things is called. One is So gata.
ये विजातीय होकर के
Second is
है, कैसे होता है? विजातीय तो उसको क्या है?
Vijati. What is Vijati?
माया जो
Maya is Chad Vastu. Is mic thing.
है। तो इसीलिए पहले कहते हैं शक्ति शक्ति में तो जरूर अभी
So first it is saying Shakti Shakti. So there is no difference between Bhagwan and Bhagwan's potency.
तो माया क्या है?
So what is Maya?
भगवान की शक्ति
Bhagwan is the potency of Maya.
है।
No,
माया
Bhagwan
शब्द
is
की
the potency of Bhagwan.
माया कृपा इति गंभे। माया शब्द की कई अर्थ है।
There are many kinds of meaning of Maya. Huh?
माया जो नहीं
Maya means
नहीं
with illusion, which is not present. But Bhagwan manifested this kinds of power in that Maya, which is not invisible or illusion. It is representing everywhere.
और फिर आत्मा माया
अरे यार क्या बोल
नहीं
रहे हैं?
बताएंगे
There are many stories of Maya,
इसके उदाहरण भी है।
and there are many kinds of example. One is Yog Maya, Ma Maya. One is Yog Maya. Second is Ma Maya.
के द्वारा जीवों की जो है
So
भगवान के समीप में कराते हैं।
by the Yog Maya, what Yog Maya does, they carries the people before Bhagwan. And what Mahamaya does, he always keep away the devotees from the Bhagwan.
अच्छा
Both are the powers of Bhagwan.
इसको अभेद तो कैसे प्रतिष्ठा करें? अभेद
How we can manifest this thing? Abhed right, non-different.
जिस प्रकार यथा पूर्णानुभव
Just like
जिस प्रकार मकड़ा
Makra, spider.
स्पाइडर वो देखो जाल बनाते
So
हैं।
it makes the net. You have
वो
seen.
जाल कहाँ से बनाते हैं?
So where that net is coming, so by the saliva of their mouth, they are making the net.
जब वो जाल बनाते
When they makes the nets,
फिर आग को क्या करते हैं? वो अपने अंदर में लेकर के फिर ऊपर चलते हैं।
okay.
आप देखेंगे
So when sometimes it falls down, so by that saliva of their mouths, they goes up in that net.
जाल वो बना रही थी, वो बना रही थी।
So he was making the net by the saliva. So what happened? He fall down.
फिर बनाते बनाते
And while he was making that net, so sometimes he fall down. That spider fall down.
वो लार को क्या करते हैं?
So by the same saliva they take into the mouth and again start making that net.
उसी प्रकार भगवान
So in the same way, Bhagwan,
सब वस्तु के अंदर ही रखते हैं। सृष्टि के
everything is inside him. But when he created the Srishti or world, he manifested everything. Everything is inside Bhagwan. Chit Jagat, Mai Jagat, Jad Jagat, everything is there.
तभी ये
Chit Jagat, Maya Jagat.
हमारे ऊपर नहीं बदले। कहते फिर एक उदाहरण दे रहे हैं।
So there is another example is
भगवान
just like Bhagwan
महाप्रलय के
at the time of Mahapralaya,
चले जाते हैं।
when everything is goes up,
भगवान क्या करते हैं?
so what Bhagwan does that time?
अपने सेठ जल से
Why the water is sweating?
पसीना,
So why
ये पसीना
they
क्या है?
sweat? What is that sweat?
अपने शरीर के होते हुए शरीर के नहीं।
So this sweat is from their body, but it's not.
तो सेठ जल के द्वारा ब्रह्मांड को आधा भर देते हैं।
So by the sweat he fill up the half Brahman,
और भर करके स्वयं भगवान
and when he fill up all the half Brahman, he take a sleep there, like a so that water of sweating it is called his body, but it is different. So when he recite or take a sleep, he doesn't touch the. Why are you laughing? Sweat is coming from the body, and he's sleeping there on the sweat. Look, Bhagwan Gurudev is saying, are you getting? Because he created the sweat, but it is not touching him. So another example is coming. Look, we have nails in our body, on the hairs in our body. These all are coming from the body, but still they are the different from the body. You can cut it, you will we can throw our nails. After cutting, we can throw our nails. When the nails grows up, we cut it or not.
शरीर से संबंध तो है, किंतु शरीर से हम बात करते हैं।
So it is a part of body, but still we throw it. Understand?
ये नाखून की उत्पत्ति कहाँ से हुई?
So where the nails is coming from? It is coming from the body,
और हम शरीर से अलग करते हैं।
but still we can remove from the body. We can throw it. In the same way,
भगवान
Bhagwan,
अपने अचिंत्य शक्ति के द्वारा
by his Achinta Shakti, he has created Maya Shakti,
माया से और
but still he is keeping away himself from the Maya.
जहाँ माया वहीं पर भगवान,
So where there is Maya, there is no Bhagwan.
और माया के द्वारा
And
आदि साधित
so by the Maya, he is doing so many kinds of work.
ये अचिंत्य शक्ति।
So this is called Achinta Shakti. That is called Avadhe Tattva. Okay? अरे पहले सुन लो भैया.
जीवों को नहीं लिया गया, जीव का एग्जाम्पल ले सकती है शक्ति।
Understanding?
ये शक्ति के दरकार है, शक्ति जीव शक्ति का हम लेने से ये पूर्णता जो है ये आ जाता है। ये भगवान
I'll explain.
अच्छा जीव की ठीक है, ऊंची है, उसको जाते हुए बोलेंगे। ये कोई हम शक्ति के अनुसार भी जाते ले रहे हैं। जब अनुत्तर बात उनके क्या बोले जीव के शब्द लेने का वो करता आ जाता है। समझ गए? जीव शक्ति है,
Jeev is Shakti. Okay?
नामक शक्ति से जीव आदि प्रकाशित है।
So Jeev is manifesting from the
माया जो
Jeeva
है,
Shakti, but Maya
संपूर्ण रूप से जो
completely.
है, अचित है।
हाँ? क्या है?
अचित है।
Achit. क्या है Achit?
No consciousness.
Jeev is Maya is totally unconscious. You know, it is Achit.
इसलिए
That's why.
के साथ हम चले तो शक्ति के अनुसार हम उसको तो ग्रहण करें,
क्या है?
चित्त के साथ चित्त समझ लें। किंतु माया जो है वो संपूर्ण भगवान से जो है अलग है।
So Maya is completely different from Bhagwan. It is Mike, but Jeev is not Mike. Jeev
जब
is
सब कुछ जब
Chit.
विलीन हो जाता है महाप्रलय,
At the time of Mahapralaya, when everything goes into the in a very minute form,
जीव से लेकर ये जीव
from Jeev Shakti, every Shakti, everything,
कांडोत्साही विष्णु में
it enters into the Karnodaksha Vishnu. This is I understood.
भगवान जब सृष्टि करना चाहते हैं,
So when Bhagavan want to reincarnation or recreation, so all the things comes into from his body.
ये ग्रंथ है।
So this is the process of Srishti, creation.
ये ग्रंथ क्या है?
What is the process of creation? We have to go from a little Tattva Siddhanta.
पहले होता है क्या?
First is Akash.
वो है
Mahatattva.
महातत्व सृष्टि।
First is Mahatattva.
महातत्व के द्वारा विकार सृष्टि
Ahankar.
है। विकार से अहंकार आता है।
So from Vikar comes Ahankar.
है, सत्व रजतम
And Ahankar comes Sattva Rajya Tamas.
कम दिखाई
So this is the process of Srishti.
है। शब्द
Shabda.
है, महातत्व जो
There are 5 elements like Shabda, Roop, Ras, Gandha, Shabda, Sparsh. So this all tattva was showing there.
कितने तत्व आकर के सृष्टि पूर्ण रूप में होता है।
So with the many 28 tattva, yes. 28 tattva. Understand?
परमेंद्र पंच ज्ञानेंद्रिय
28, sorry. Then 28 tattva comes, then पंच ज्ञानेंद्रिय, पंच कर्मेंद्रिय, पांच तन्मात्रा, पंच महाभूत और 4
है,
हाँ
मौन बुद्धि
दी अहंकार चित्त मन बुद्धि अहंकार चित्त 24 आत्मा परमात्मा
आत्मा परमात्मा
पुरुष प्रकृति
सभी जो है पुरुष और प्रकृति
28 yes 28 got it 28 no I tell you पंच ज्ञानेंद्रिय कर्मेंद्रिय पंच महाभूत पंच तन्मात्रा मन बुद्धि चित्त अहंकार पुरुष प्रकृति आत्मा परमात्मा so we will go गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Thank you for tolerating me. Hare Krishna.
एक श्लोक तक एक श्लोक बीत
Huh?
सृष्टि के लिए
This is
सृष्टि स्थिति के लिए सब कुछ सृष्टि पर ऐसा माया ब्रह्म चिंतन है
So in the Brahma Samhita it is mentioned that Maya. Okay, tomorrow. Hare Krishna.